Hello friends, here is palette from the last painting. So we will use this old paint. I just put a little bit of water and this paint is good to go. We can paint with this. Even it is almost a week old on this plate. So I'm using a very large flat brush for the sky, very light blue color for the sky, and a little pond or lake, I don't know what is this. And I'm using a little bit of green mixed with this brown, so I can mimic the area around the pond with this little flat angled brush. So I have this little sketch from my head. I just want a few trees and a little pond and a sky and grass and dirt around the pond. So nothing special, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to use your old paint, and if you are on the budget, or if you're not but you don't want to waste, you can use this old paint from your last painting and make a cute little paint with this. So now I'm painting grass and bushes around this pond, and it is everything so fluid, like semi-abstract, I think, with this painting. And just relax, and I wanted to put the color on my paper. So if you don't know, people who are already watching me know that I have this sketchbook, and this sketchbook is for mixed media. It is not for watercolors. So I need to put a little bit, is possible, water, mostly paint with really little water, and I need to dry from one layer to another. When I'm passing on the next layer, I first need to dry my paper. So now I'm painting these little bushes around this lake or pond. What is this? I think it's pond. It is smaller. Bushes around, and bit inside the pond to mimic the reflection from this grass and bushes. So now I did dry with my fan or hair blower, how you say, and now I'm painting these little trees which are on the edge of this pond. Very loose, also with no straight lines, little branches, these 3 or 4 little trees, one next to each other. And now I'm with a little bit of water, adding shadows of these trees. Of details here and there. Now I'm adding water on these branches because I want them to be loose and like in some fog or something. Now I'm using this brush that is the, I think, number 6 round brush, but I cut the edge of this brush and now I have round fur and hard part, and I can paint some leaves and bushes with it. Now I'm adding details with my number 1 brush, super tiny, little leaves on these trees. this pond to show some movements of the water. And now with my flat big brush, just adding more water on this painting to somehow, I don't know, connect everything together, and add water to I can paint loosely with this brown. This edge of the lake, of the pond. And we are almost finished. So you have your own painting with rest of the colors, and I already fifth time dry this painting because of thinness of this paper. Please subscribe, leave your comment down below, like video, tell me what you think, and I think this is cute painting. Thank you so much for watching.